Today we're gonna make this Big Mac salad. To get started on making our Big Mac salad, we're gonna first fry up our homemade French fries. You can click the link above to see my fry recipe. Now while our fries are frying up in the oil, I have a flat pan. I'm gonna cook an 8-ounce burger. Heat that up. We're gonna cook that the way you like it, and then we'll assemble our salad. We're gonna get the rest of our ingredients ready for our salad. So we have 1 head of romaine lettuce. I'm gonna cut it down the side so I can chop it up. And I'm gonna add all of our lettuce to this mixing bowl because I wanna get our dressing all over our lettuce and all our other ingredients. So we have our lettuce in here. We have grape tomatoes cut in half. We have pickles, red onion, and shredded cheddar cheese. And we're gonna add some Thousand Island dressing to this. So all the ingredients that you would have in a Big Mac right here in your salad. So we're gonna toss this together with our tongs here to get everything covered in our Thousand Island dressing. This is perfect if you need a low-carb day, so you still get all the flavors of a Big Mac without the carbs. So then we're gonna take that and transfer this to our serving bowl, and we're gonna top this with our burger and our homemade fries. To top our salad, we're gonna put our burger right there, and we're gonna put our homemade fries. Delicious fries in your salad. Then we're gonna put a couple on top, and this salad is ready. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com, and don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store. Time to ultimate taste test.